We use present perfect to talk about personal experience. For instance, I've tried scuba diving, but I've never done skydiving. We use present perfect to talk about the action that started in the past and continues in the present. They've been married for 50 years. They got married 50 years ago, and they are still married. We've known each other since high school. We met in high school, and we are still friends. We often use present perfect to say that an action which we expected hasn't happened yet. Using the present perfect suggests that we are still waiting for this action to happen. For instance, she hasn't finished her project yet. She is expected to do it, to finish the project. They haven't arrived yet. We are waiting for them to arrive. We also use present perfect to talk about change. I've changed over the years. The dog has grown up. Another use for present perfect is to describe multiple actions that happened in the past and may repeat in the future. For instance, I've seen this movie twice. I like it a lot. That's why I may see it one more time, or even more. She's been to Asia 3 times already. It's her favorite place to go to on vacations. There is a chance she will get back there. To learn the difference between have been to, have been in, and have gone to, wait for another video and subscribe to my channel not to miss it. To talk about news, we also use present perfect. For example, have you heard the news? Our team has won. Have you heard the news? Our neighbors have relocated. Use present perfect for something that happened in the past but is important in present or has results in present. For instance, she's lost her keys and she can't get in the house. It's been a hard day. He's tired. Also, we use present perfect for recent actions. We use the sentences with the word just. She's just found a new job. I've just finished my assignments. And the final use for present perfect is to describe achievements. Man has stepped on the moon. She has learned how to swim. There is one very important thing to remember. You cannot mention a specific time when you use present perfect.